I'm just going to take 1 second out of doing all our cleaning. So I had an old under high chair plastic mat, and you can buy those at all the kids stores, that I took out when we moved here, and it's now a little craft spot. So I leave it out a lot. It's just this round nice thing. You can glue and cut and paste and have fun while I'm cleaning, while I'm working. We do it together. It's good for sensory. It's good for all of his developmental skills. And I love it, so I highly recommend it. It's really handy. So if you see me not picking it up, it's because we're in the middle of an art project, and art can't be rushed, so we're taking our time. In case you're like, why are you sweeping around that weird plastic board? My mom calls it the pie tin. It's not a pie tin. It is an art zone of greatness. Shirts that you see me mentioning that I make, you can go right down in the link in the description box and order these. They come in men's shirts and women's shirts. I have a couple different designs. I have some parenting humor, and I also just have some lifestyle humor like this one. It says, what's the worst that could squirrel? Which is all about all of us parents that go through life with kind of, a little ADD. And we're like, oh, what's the worst? Oh, well, I'm totally distracted. Oh, well, there's a squirrel over there. Maybe I won't get any work done. So that's kind of a lot of the humor that I have, is dry and sardonic. But it is a great way, wonderful way to support on here. And they're really fun, very comfy t-shirts. I really like this one. Okay, back to cleaning. You might say, that's a weird way to sweep up stuff. I got dust something right here, boom, diggity. But what you're doing is you're stretching your hamstrings. So part of what I like to incorporate with cleaning is, as crazy as it sounds, exercise. And so I like to do stretches and moves. So whenever I get comments, they're like, why are you doing that angle? Because it stretches my body and lets me get exercise. It's pretty fun. This guy sometimes keeps me from the gym, man. One of my go-to snacks for a little monkey, trying to keep distracted while I'm doing something. Corn chips, I buy them both from Costco, and a little bit of pre-made hummus. Just like his tasty go-to snack. Sometimes I try to throw in some carrot sticks, but don't tell him. The art crafts do migrate over this way. As to apparently ninja stars, toy kitchen spatulas. Eat Me cookie molds. I love these. I made these at Christmas. I don't know if that'll have my face in there. I love these. They go into a wooden stem, and you have different ones. I love them. They're so much fun. I make those at Christmas and give them out to everybody. Multi-surface cleaner, and it is in geranium, which I really like actually. I like the smell of this. And I just thought I would test out some more cleaners for you, because not everybody wants to make homemade cleaners like I do. And I thought I would test them out, completely not sponsored or gifted or anything, and just see which of the more natural ones I kind of enjoy. So I'm letting this soak in a little bit to the table, you know, help get up any food crusties I see. And then while I do that, I'm going to spray the chairs. God bless, I love these chairs, they're so cute, but my God, do they get dirty. I do 2 sprays on the seat and 1 on the back. Show you a little better. And that just lets me get it real quickly. Buy these chairs, name brand, you get better quality. I bought these all cheapy direct from manufacturer, and I still regret it because they really, you can tell they're cheaper material. They were a great deal at the time. I think I actually made $5 with credit card points. But now I'm like, should have bought the better quality ones. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Ooh, look how dirty those were. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new towel. You don't have to wash this, it was holding strawberries, so boom. Now, I always go on the lip around my table too, because little tiny sticky fingers. If I could be a little monkey, I'd be a baby's monkey. Okay, I was trying to do a presentation there and then I stepped on one of those toys and slipped, so you'll be experiencing my near death with me. How, with all the amount of space I give them to Pitta's toys, do they all wind up here? For the record, under my table doesn't always look this disgusting. It's just when we're having corn chips, and that is the god-awful crumb mess with them. No, it's all good. You can just like eat it in a particular way. much for coming along and enjoying cleaning and giving these thumbs up. I know cleaning videos are like the top requested theme for this channel, so I love sharing. And oh, it feels so good to have a mopped floor. Heaven. As always, you can go check out all my shirts in the homeware site, and I post a ton of cleaning photos and travel photos, all sorts of photos on my Instagram that you can follow along. I'll see you on my other channel, and then in a week or so, I'll see you back on here with my next video. Hey, thank you so much, and if you haven't already, subscribe and check out my romance novels, because you know what? There's a new one coming out.